Hello guys, and welcome to the 11th video of the Blackjack tutorial using Java. Well, in this video what we're going to do is create 3 balloons for the 3 different phases that our game has. The first one is where when the player hits or stays. The second one is when where the computer plays, or the dealer, if you may. And the last one is where the user decides whether he's going to play more or not. So let's go ahead and go in our GUI class, and up here here should be good here. Okay. So let's name this game phases balloons. Okay. Let's create the first balloon, which is going to be called bull hit stay, and set it to true because when the game starts, the first thing the user is going to do is decide whether he's going to hit or stay. The second boolean is going to be called bull dealer turn, and it's going to be false in the beginning. And the last one is going to be called bull play more, and it's going to be false as well. Okay. But before we proceed, let's go right here and add a question, which is going to be actually a string play more q from question is going to be play more. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Now let's go down in our paint component and add the question to our panel. Where is the paint component? Here it is. Okay. Here is the cards. Okay, I did not add the comments. This is why you have to add comments, guys. Well, this. Okay, this is the cards painting. Oh, I do have comments, but this whole piece of code is for the cards. Okay, I do have comments. So, temporary play more grid. Okay, let's go after the grid adding and change the font to set font font. We have to create a new font actually, and we're going to call it where are the fonts? Let's find the fonts. Here they are. Let's create a new font question, and it's going to be a new font times new Roman font dot plain should be good here, and button card, let's set it for now, and we can change it later. This is the reason we create fonts, to easily change every single one of them whenever we want from up here. Let's go back in our paint component, and we were right here, and it's going to be font question. Yeah, Okay, and now let's go ahead and draw a string, which is going to be claimer q, and the position is going to be pmx plus something. I don't know what exactly, but let's see first. Okay, should it be a little larger? Maybe bold? I don't know. Let's move it like, I don't know, 100 pixels to the bottom. Too much. Maybe 60 should do. Yeah, 60 looks good, but we also have to move it like 20 to the right or a little more. Let's do 25 and see how it looks. This looks just right. Maybe 26 should be exactly in the middle. Let's see. Okay, we're going to leave it at 26. And I know that it's not exactly in the middle of the box, but I want to remind you that those black boxes are not going to appear, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's go ahead and say not say, we actually have to create a method that is going to run continuously through this loop right here, and let's call it, I don't know, we should probably call it refresher. Okay, let's go above our components here, yeah, and say public void refresher. Okay, and let's call it before what happened, our paint method. Okay, so what we're going to do in here is check it's not its second but its moment, actually, because this is going to run maybe even 30 or 35 million times a second. This is going to check whether it's the player's turn, the dealer's turn, or the end of both turns, and it is time for the player to choose whether he's going to play more or not. So, and depending on all that information, this method is going to make the buttons visible or invisible. Okay, so let's go ahead and say if bool hit stay is true. Isn't this how we named it? Yes, it is. Okay, if bool hit stay is true, then go ahead and where are our buttons? We want our buttons. So we have button hit stay. Make those buttons visible and these buttons invisible. So let's go back here and say b hit dot set visible true, and b state.set visible also true, b yes.set visible false, and b no set visible also false. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Thank God. Okay. Now, else if bool dealer, come on, turn is true, then go ahead and make all these false. Okay, and if the boolean play more is true, then go ahead and make these the false and these two true. Okay, if we run this, you're now going to see that since we are in the hit stay phase of the game, the yes and no buttons are not visible, and by making them not visible, we're also unable to click on them. Okay, you see I'm clicking here and here, which is the position of yes and no buttons, but nothing happens. Hit and stay work just fine. You just click hit and stay. Okay. So what else can we do in this video? Okay, let's also make this question right here disappear. Okay, go down in our pen component, right here. Okay, and say if we'll play more is true, then I want you to go ahead and draw this string right here. Okay, now it is false, so nothing appears. Interesting. Okay, so what else can we do? Should I okay, we can make the dealer's cards visible, but I don't know, maybe we should do this in another video. I'm not sure, guys, to be honest. Okay, let's make those boxes visible for the cards. I want to see them. I don't know, guys. Okay, I'm going to do this in another video because it has already been, I don't know, like almost 14 minutes. Okay, so in the next video we are going to add okay, first we are going to make the dealer's cards visible. Okay, and we are also going to do some more interesting stuff, which is going to be the total sum of our cards right here. Okay, and this is going to be a little complicated because when we have an ace, we can count it both as an 1 or 11. Yeah, 11. But we can only do it for one ace, so it's going to be just a little complicated. The video might just last a little while longer, but it's going to be worth it because we're going to have finished most of our code, because what is going to remain next is the console for our messages to be displayed, and the only artificial intelligence our program is going to have, which is the dealer deciding whether he's going to hit or stay. Okay, so we also have to add functions to those find buttons right here. And okay, till the next time, guys, see you.